Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit menus in WordPress step by step. Now before diving in, I have to notify you that in order to use a lot of the features in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription that costs $40. Now I didn't pay for this subscription, but if you need to install plugins and start a WooCommerce website, you're gonna have to pay for this subscription. Now I'm gonna tell you the instruction verbally and listen carefully and follow these instructions and you're gonna be able to edit menus in WordPress. Now let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to access the menu settings, and to do that, just log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account credentials and logging in. Once logged in, you're gonna be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to Appearances right here in the left sidebar and click on it. And go to Menus. The second step is to select and create a menu. Choose an existing menu from the drop down and click Create a new menu. Search for a menu. Now you have to select a theme. To do that, let's go click More. And you can start a new menu by creating it. The third step is to add a remove item or remove item. Use the list on the left to add pages, posts, categories, or custom links. Drag the menu items to reorder them or list them to create drop-down menus. Now to remove an item, you just have to click the arrow next to it and select remove. Now for the fourth and final step, assign menu location. And to do that, enter menu settings, assign your menu to a location like the primary menu or footer, and click Save Menu when you're done. For additional tips, keep your menu simple and user-friendly, and use descriptive labels for better navigation. And that's it. That's how you edit menu in WordPress.com. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.